How did God create us uniquely? Some people have thought that humans evolved from animals. Others have thought that we were reincarnated from animals. For these reasons, many have thought that there is not much difference between animals and humans. But the Bible says that every person has come from the first man and woman. And every human spirit and soul did not come from a reincarnation, but was created uniquely by God at conception. So the human spirit and soul had no previous existence. It has a beginning when human life begins. When God created human beings, He created them with special honor above all the creatures. They were the only beings created to be in the image of God. It doesn't mean we physically look like God because God is spirit. But it does mean we can resemble God in character and relate with God spiritually. It is the image of God in us that makes human life so sacred and precious, far above all creatures. God has given animals amazing instincts that drive their activities, and the diversity of animals in the world displays God's incredible creativity. But God decided to do something different with people. He gave people an intelligent mind that could make moral choices and judgments. God equipped humans with a rational mind so that they can be partners in ruling over the animals and the earth. God handed down the creation to people so that they can responsibly work and care for it. He put them in a beautiful garden called Eden. God saw everything He had made and it was very good. Human beings had a peaceful harmony with God and with all of creation. There wasn't suffering or death. It was heaven on earth, and this was God's original design for all creation. But what changed? The earth today is not like the Garden of Eden. In the next story, we will see what caused the earth to be cursed with sin, suffering, and death.